And Esterhuizen tries to bring his nation forward again. Oh, Farrell.
Well, is that a shoulder? Or is that a tackle?
Come crashing to the floor. Williams gets it off. South Africa wanted checking. I think it's Garner's put his hand to his ear here.
No, that's a shoulder shot.
Has the whistle gone for the final time? No. They are looking at it.
Check.
The moment I saw it, Miles, from an injury perspective, it looked like Farrell's gone in with the shoulder. We have to see it again. The crowd are booing, but the officials are absolutely right to do this.
It was all unravelling for South Africa as well.
Yeah.
Just getting to that point where you couldn't see them getting over the 10-metre line.
On the last tackle, is that
this
right?
is the tackle from Farrell on Esterhuizen.
Sorry, but
replay's on the screen now.
It doesn't matter what you are, that is not an attempted tackle.
Right.
One shoulder, the other arm's away. He'll be very lucky if he gets away with that.
It's a decision that could decide the match.
Yeah, it's a big collision, I agree. I don't think it's a clear shoulder for me.
Referee thinks it's okay from England's point of view. So does Ben Whitehouse, his assistant.